Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Features also include remote start, keyless ignition, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2018 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 Highway Mpg is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, FWD, security system, cruise control, power windows, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.